Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're talking about the best foldable work desk available online right now, the Huuger folding desk for small spaces. If you're living in a tight space, whether it's a small apartment, a dorm room, or you just want a flexible workstation that doesn't dominate your home, then this is the one you've been waiting for. Let's dive into what makes this desk such a standout. The Huuger folding desk is incredibly compact when unfolded. It offers a 31.5-inch wide by 18.9-inch deep working surface, which is more than enough for your laptop, a notepad, maybe even a cup of coffee or a desk lamp. But the real magic happens when you fold it up. It collapses down to just 2.76 inches thick. That means when you're not using it, you can easily slide it behind a door, under a bed, or tuck it away beside a couch. This foldability doesn't come at the cost of stability. The frame is built with sturdy 18mm thick steel legs and a supportive X-frame at the back. So when it's set up, it feels solid and dependable, no annoying wobbles. Plus, it has a rustic brown finish with a country rustic design that blends well into most decor styles, from cozy and vintage to modern minimalism. Now let's talk comfort and usability. The desk's surface is engineered wood with a smooth, curved front edge. It's a small touch, but it makes a big difference. No sharp corners pressing into your arms while you type or write. Whether you're attending Zoom meetings, studying for an exam, or doing your makeup, the surface is ergonomic and easy on your hands. One of the key highlights of this desk is its portability. It's light enough to be carried around by anyone, even a teenager. So if your child wants to do homework in the bedroom today and in the living room tomorrow, it's no hassle. Going on a road trip or need a pop-up workspace in your RV? Fold it flat, toss it in the trunk, and go. It fits in most vehicles and is ready for action wherever you go. Versatility is at the heart of this product. It's not just for work. Use it as a study desk, a laptop table, a side table, or even a small dining space in front of your sofa. Set it up outside on the balcony or in the garden when the weather's nice. Then fold it back up and store it in seconds. It's just that easy. Speaking of easy, setup takes under 20 minutes. The desk comes with clear instructions and the necessary tools in the box. No complicated steps, no dozens of screws, and no frustration. Even if you're not great at assembling furniture, you'll have this desk ready to use in no time. In terms of design, the rectangular shape is clean and efficient. The powder-coated finish on the metal adds to its durability and resists scratching. So not only is this desk functional and space-saving, it's also built to last and keep looking good over time. To wrap it up, the Huuger folding desk for small spaces is the perfect solution for anyone who wants a portable, space-saving, stylish, and rock-solid workstation without the hassle of complex assembly or bulky furniture. It's simple, smart, and incredibly functional. That's it for today's review. If you're looking to simplify your workspace without sacrificing quality or comfort, this foldable desk might just be your best bet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another smart product recommendation. This is Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next video.